I'm sure you've heard the news. Fixing your iPhone's charging port is easier than you think. First, clean out your charging port. Dust and debris can build up and block connections. Use a soft brush, toothpick, or compressed air to gently clear it out. Be careful not to damage the pins inside. Next, check for physical damage. Look for bent pins or corrosion. If you see any damage, that's likely your issue. Step 3. Try a different cable and adapter. Sometimes the problem isn't your iPhone, but your accessories. Swap them out and see if it helps. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can fix minor software glitches causing charging problems. Finally, if nothing else works, consider replacing the charging port. You can do it DIY style or take it to a pro. And as a bonus tip, if you're still stuck, try wireless charging as a temporary solution. Remember, be gentle and avoid using metal objects. If you're not comfortable, see a professional.